Hello and welcome. Great to have your video on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly and you're watching the Buzzing Trends. Today we'll be uncovering the 3 most active shares on the ASX. But first of all, we know that traders and investors generally like to invest in the stocks which are liquid and are most actively traded on the exchange. Obviously, nobody likes to waste their money on dead stocks which are not going anywhere and hover around the same price level for quite some time. Plus, actively traded stocks provide enough liquidity to enter and exit a large position with minimal impact cost. So if you're looking for some of the most liquid stocks on the ASX with a high trading volume, we've got you covered. The first on our list is AusTin Mining. This small cap Australian miner has a market cap of $12.71 million. However, the 30 days average volume of the stock stands at a massive 44.85 million shares per day. In November of this year, AusTin Mining shares also witnessed a 2-day period wherein the volume abnormally shot up to over 600 million shares. Looking at its recent announcements, the company has signed a 5-year mining products and service supply contract with Rio Tinto Services. The contract is estimated to be worth $300 million. AusTin has also signed a deal to sell its subsidiary Taronga Mines to the UK-based tin-focused company Tin First for a total of $34.31 million. Wholly owned by AusTin, Taronga Mines owns the Taronga Tin Project, located in the Emmaville district of northern New South Wales. Historically, the region has produced around 88,000 tonnes of tin, and according to this morning's announcement, the Taronga Project boasts a resource estimate of 36.3 million tonnes at 0.16% tin, representing 57,200 tonnes of contained tin. The next stock to look at is Eastern Iron. Another miner on the list, Eastern Iron is currently engaged in the exploration of potential high-grade magnetite resources at its flagship Nawanawa Iron project. The company has a market cap of 53.85 million. EFE shares witnessed a high volume of 40.25 million shares a day, average in the last 30 days. Looking at its recent announcements, Eastern Iron has excavated an agreement with the Chinese lithium producer to develop its Trig Hill project and acquire another lithium asset. The ASX lister signed a strategic partnership with Yahua International Investment and Development Co., a subsidiary of the Yahua Industrial Group Co. in September. And together the two businesses have agreed to advance the titanium and lithium assets in WA's East Pilbara region, which Eastern Iron, has the option to acquire. Yahua Group has signed and experienced with a developing similar lithium salt asset in China and is one of the major lithium hydroxide and carbonate producers in the country, with customers like Tesla. And lastly, we have Lepidico, which is an exploration company having a niche interest in the global lithium market. The market cap of the company stands at $236.3 million. LPD shares started attracting investors from July this year, which was also evident in the volume spikes on the chart. LPD shares reported an average volume of 31.77 million shares a day. Lepidico grew its revenue by 298% last year, which is well above most other pre-profit companies. Well, that is all for now on the Buzzing Trends, but stick around for market insights only on Kalkine TV. This is Holly Shield signing off.